Hello, y hola. Me llamo es Handyman Randy. Can you say muy caliente? That's right, folks, it's hot out there. And here with some handy tips to help keep that AC unit running smoothly is your old pal, Handyman Randy. Before the summer sun hits its peak temp, here are a couple easy things that you can do yourself to make sure your AC unit is running efficiently. First, you will need some coil cleaner. I prefer Simple Green. A link can be found below if you desire to purchase some. Some new furnace filters. These vary in size and quantity required. A hose for rinsing the coils, and if you're feeling ambitious, a temperature gun. Before you start, you'll want to cut power to the AC unit via the breaker. After this step, begin by spraying the cleaner on the exposed coils through the louvers. Spray the cleaner generously on all four sides. This is now the perfect opportunity, while it begins to break down the dirt and debris, to swap out your filters. The filters in your furnace should be changed out, depending on usage, every 4 to 6 months. Make sure that you replace them at least every 12 months, though. Every home's furnace will be different in the location and style of the cover to the furnace, as well as the required filter size and quantity needed to replace them. As is the case with headlights and such, if your furnace has more than one filter, you should change them both out at the same time. Remove the old filter, paying close attention to the airflow arrow. This is found on the side of your filter. A great way to check if a filter needs replacing is to compare the one or ones from your furnace with a new one. As you can see in the video, the old ones are gray and dirty. It makes it real hard to see the metal wiring that be all up in there. After you replace the filters, replace your cover, and now you're ready to rinse off the AC unit coils. Turning on your water to the same pressure as you would while washing your car, simply rinse off all of the coils on one side at a time, from top to bottom. With the help of the cleaner, the dirt, film, and foliage break apart and rinses away the debris that's normally collected within these coils. As the water begins to flow down the unit, you can see a bit of the dirt and debris begin to collect, showing that even my unit could use a cleaning. At this point, we are ready to turn back on the power to the unit. Simply go back to your electrical panel and turn the breaker on. With the AC unit cleaned and the power back on, and your filters changed, it's time to head inside. The best way to maximize your home's efficiency is to adjust your vents. Floor vents in common areas or open areas, such as dining rooms or family rooms, can be left completely open. However, hallway vents or vents found in rooms that are fully encompassed by other rooms can be closed off partway to force the cold air to travel to other rooms that have exterior walls. For instance, in my home, I have both a utility and a bathroom off my hallway. They do not come in contact with an exterior surface of the home. In both these rooms, I have adjusted the vent to just barely open. Not closed off and sealed, mind you, but almost completely closed, as these rooms do not heat up anywhere near as much as the rest of the house does. This will allow the cold air to pass by and then get redirected to other parts of the house. Once the vents are adjusted, you can then take your temperature gun, and while this isn't the most efficient way to do this, this will work for residential purposes. You can check the temperature differential from the AC unit from the vents to the setting on your thermostat to even the heated air being expelled from the AC unit itself. I first checked the temperature from the vent in the family room. As you can see, it reads 42.4 degrees. The thermostat in the hallway reads a nice 69 temperature. You can insert a teenage chuckle here. While the AC unit itself is now dispensing the hot air taken from the house, it is reading a temperature of 100.4. As you can see from these quick temperature readings, this unit is running very efficiently, as you normally want about a 20-degree differential between the vent air, my 42, and the thermostat air, in this case 69. I hope this helps in keeping your home a little more cool during this crazy heat wave, and as always, subscribe for more great videos to come.